Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to revise subtraction. Okay, so we are going to revise subtraction. So the next class you will be having class test on addition and subtraction. So addition and subtraction together, I'll be giving you the test. We'll revise. Okay, so subtraction means what? Subtraction means what, children? Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means taking away. So taking away spelling T-A-K-I-N-G-A-W-A-Y. Taking away. Subtraction means taking away. The sign of subtraction is dash. So what is the sign of subtraction? Minus. Spelling for minus M-I-N-U-S. Minus. M-I-N-U-S. Minus. The bigger number in subtraction is called dash. The bigger number in subtraction is called what? For example, you're going to subtract 8 minus 3. So 8 is called as what? Minuend. What it is called as? Minuend. Spelling for minuend. Minuend. M-I-N-U-E-N-D. Minuend. What is the spelling? M-I-N-U-E-N-D. Spellings. Okay. So the smaller number in subtraction is called dash. So smaller number. The bigger number is called minuend. And the smaller number, which is small, 3 is smaller number. So 3 is called as what? Subtrahend. So spelling for subtrahend, S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D. Subtrahend. What's the spelling? S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D. Subtrahend. So the answer of subtraction is called difference. What is the spelling for difference? D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Difference. The answer of subtraction is called difference. Okay. So this is based on the properties, children. Okay. So when you subtract 0 from any number, so the difference or the answer is the number itself. Okay. So the difference or the answer is the number itself. For example, 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0 is how much? So nothing you're going to subtract from 6. So the answer remains the same. So the answer is or the difference is the same. Okay. So 8 minus 1. Okay. 8 minus 1. So when you subtract 1 from the number, you will get the predecessor of the number. Right. So you will get the predecessor of the number. So 8 minus 1 is how much? 8 minus 1 is 7. So 7 is the predecessor of 8. Okay. So when we subtract 1 from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. So 7 is the predecessor of 8. Okay. So when we subtract 1 from any number, what you will get? You will get the predecessor of the number as the answer or the before number. Okay. The next one is 8 minus 8. So when you subtract a number from the same number, what will be the answer? So 8 minus 8 is equal to what? 0. So when you subtract any number by the same number, what is the answer? You will get 0 as the answer. So the next one is 8 minus 3 dash 3 minus 8. So we have learned, right? 8 plus 3 equals 3 plus 8. Even if you interchange the number, the answer remains the same. Isn't it? In addition, we have learned, right? Same way, in subtraction, 8 minus 3 is not equal to, this is the not equal sign, children. This is not equal sign. Is not equal to 3 minus 8. We can't do that. Because if you have 8 chocolate, from 8 chocolate, you can take 3 chocolate. Okay. From 8, you can subtract 3. From 3 chocolate, you can't take 8 chocolates. That is not possible. So only we tell it as 8 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 8. So we cannot change the order of numbers for subtraction. We cannot change the order of the numbers as we did in the addition. The same way we cannot do it in the subtraction. We cannot change the order of the name. It should be in this order only. First number should be big and second number should be small. Okay, then only we can subtract. Okay, understood? So now we will subtract, children. So you have only 2 numbers of subtractions. Okay. So subtract 7 minus 4 equals dash. Okay, subtract 7 minus 4 equals dash. So either it can be given in this or it can be given in the words. Okay, that I will explain you. Okay, 7 minus 4. So how you will subtract? 7 in your mind, 4 show it in your finger. For subtraction, what we should use? Before, not after. For after we use for addition. For subtraction we use before. 7 in your mind, 4 show it in your finger. Before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So the answer is 3. Okay. So you can arrange. If it is a single digit, you can do it. And if it is a 2-digit number, then you can what's that? You can arrange and you can subtract and write the answer. Okay. So because it is a single digit number, directly I have written the answer. Okay. If it is a 2-digit number, just you can arrange them and then you can subtract and write the answer. So next one is subtract 14 minus 7. So 14 minus 7, I will show you here. 14 minus 7. First write the place value, then first number. So first write the place value, then first number minus second number. So in 4, 7 will not go. Okay, you can't take 7 from 4 because 4 is small number and 7 is big number. So what you should do, you should take 1 from the next number. So because here you don't have, I am taking 2 numbers together only. Okay, even if I cancel and if I write here, once again it will be 14. So I am going to, here also you don't have the number. So I am going to take 14 itself and I will subtract 7. So 14 in your mind, 7 show it in your finger. Before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So 7 is the answer. So write here 7 is the answer. You can write it here also. Subtract 24 minus 14 equals dash. So first step what you have to do, arrange the numbers. So write tens, ones, first number. What is the first number? 24 minus 14. Okay. So now we will subtract, children. 4 minus 4 is equals to how much, children? When we subtract the number from the same number, a number by the same number, what is the answer? The answer is 0. So 4 minus 4 is what? 0. Okay. Next is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is how much? 2 in your mind. 1 show it in your finger. Before 2, 1. So the answer is 1. So how much is the answer? It is 10. What is the answer, children? It is 10. Subtract 24 minus 14 is equal to how much, children? What is the answer? 10. Okay. It is 10. Okay. The next one. So as I told you, so it is given in words. Okay. See here. Subtract 28 from 84. As I told you before. So now what we have to do, children? So first we have to arrange the numbers. So from number should always come first. Okay. So write the place value, children. Tens, ones and from. From number, what is the from number? 84. So 84 should come first because 84 from only we are going to subtract. We are going to take from 84 only we are going to take 28. So 84 should come first, then write the sign and subtract number 28. That should come below this. Okay. So now we will subtract, children. This is borrowing method. This is borrowing method. So 4 minus 8. Can you subtract, children? No. So what you should do? You should borrow 1. So when you borrow 1, here it becomes 7 and here it becomes 14. Because you are not borrowing 1. You are borrowing 10. Okay. So you are not borrowing 1. You are borrowing 10. So it becomes 14. 14 minus 8. Now we will subtract. 14 in your mind. 8 show it in your finger. Before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So 6 is the answer. So 14 minus 8 is how much, children? 6. Now 7 minus 2. 7 in your mind. 2 show it in your finger. Before 7, 6, 5. So write here. Okay. Subtract 28 from 84. What is the answer, children? 56. So the answer is 56. So the next one is subtract 359 minus 125. So what is the first step? Is equal to dash. What is the first step, children? First we have to write the place value, because here we have three numbers. I am going to write hundreds, tens and ones. Okay. So what is the first number? 359. Write the minus sign. 125. Okay. So it is not borrowing method. So directly we will do 9 minus 5. So 9 in your mind, 5 show it in your finger. Before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So the answer is 4. Right here 4. Same way, now we have to subtract the numbers in tens place. 5 minus 2. 5 in your mind, 2 show it in your finger. Before 5, 4, 3. So 5 minus 3 is how much, children? 5 minus 2 is how much, children? 3. So 3 minus 1. 3 in your mind, 1 show it in your finger. Before 3, 2. So the answer is 234. So the answer is 234. Okay. So the next one, subtract 177 from 354. So now what we have to do? First write the place value, hundreds, tens and ones. What is the from number? Always we should write the from number. 354 minus 177. So now we will subtract, children. So from 4, can you take 7, children? No. So what you should do? You should borrow 1. So when you borrow 1, here it will become 4 and here it will become 14. So 14 minus 7. Same ways, 14 in your mind, 7 show it in your finger. Before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So 7 is the answer. Next we have 4. 4 minus 7. Can you subtract, children? No. So what you should do? You should borrow 1 from hundreds place. So when you borrow 1, here it becomes 2 and here it becomes 14. Right? So here it becomes 14. So once again 14 minus 14 minus 7 is equals to 7. So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equals to how much, children? 1. Okay. So 354 minus 177. So the answer is 177. So the remaining is, the difference is 177. Subtract 312 minus 163 is equal to dash. What is the first step? First you have to arrange the numbers. Write the place value. Okay. So the first number is 312 minus 163. Okay. So 2 minus 3. Can you subtract, children? No. So what you should do? You should borrow 1. So when you borrow 1, it becomes 12 and here it becomes 0. Okay. So here it is only 1. So that also you are giving. So 12 minus 3. 12, the answer is 9. Okay. So here you have 0. So what you should do? You should borrow 1 from hundreds place. So in hundreds place, here it is 3. So here it will become 2 and here it will become 10. So 10 minus 6. So 10 in your mind, 6 show it in your finger. Before 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So the answer is 4. 2 minus 1 is how much, children? 1. So the answer is 149. So the answer is 149. Okay. What is the answer? 149. Same way, next one, subtract 283 from 410. Okay. Same way, what you have to do is write the from number first. First write the place value, 100, tens and ones. So 412 minus 283. Okay. 283. So here you have only 1 and here you have 0. So here you can't subtract. From 0 you can't subtract. So what you should do? You should borrow 1. So when you borrow 1, here it becomes 10 and here it becomes 0. Okay. 10 minus 3. 10 in your mind, 3 show it in your finger. Before 10, 9, 8, 7. So here it is 7. Here you have 0. From 0, can you take 8, children? No. So what you should do? You should borrow 1. Here it will become 3. Here it will become 10. So 10 minus 8. 10 in your mind, 8 show it in your finger. Before 10, 9, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So here it is 2. So 3 minus 2 is how much? 1. Okay. So the answer is 127. Okay. Okay. Prepare well for your class test. and also for your FA. Okay, take care. Bye.